The people them said to me, J Progress, oh you know review Vybz Kartel album.
A few moments later.
I can't review Vybz Kartel album because I don't listen to it.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I don't know where them are going to stop Masicka still in about big man thing, you know. You know, say Alkaline drop him album already, Kartel drop him album already, Masicka go drop him album. But me hear 2 songs off him album and me tell the people, remember Nico Fire tell you, mark on the calendar the date.
2,000 years later.
No. And for the year so far, for 2026, we have 6 months to go on already out of 2026. And the artists for the year for me so far are Masicka and Valiant.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Vybz Kartel. Come on, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? You're better than this, bro.
One eternity later.
You're better than this, bro. Your album is trash, bro. You think you need to pull the album there off of all platform, bro?
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
I don't know, one Media Fox pony up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, see J Progress run out, you know. Yeah, man, them run out. You understand? So look at now. Boy, Jano. But tell them already, you know. But J Process, tell them more about it.
The people them said to me, J Progress, oh you know review Vybz Kartel album. Some people say Vybz Kartel album are garbage. Some people say it bad. Of course, me say Vybz Kartel album they are number 1. And if you really check the facts, tell me which artist you know will release an album, whether Masicka, Alkaline, or whichever one of them, and it don't usually go number 1 on iTunes in the first week or 2 weeks.
But that's the problem, you know. You see the thing with Vybz Kartel now, I just the hype. When it comes to Vybz Kartel, it's hype and controversy. It's like, you will see a bag of people that do it, but them not say nothing. But when Vybz Kartel do it, everybody make it look like, say, oh, yo, him there number 1. That's how the industry stay. Him are just the puppet. So whatever the puppet do, them are going to just highlight it, make it look like say the first. You understand?
Right? I can't review Vybz Kartel album because I don't listen to it. You understand? And guys, you have to understand, from what day I'm not really drop no content on TikTok in regards to a lot of the entertainment man thing. Because guys, I am not just a TikToker. I am more a YouTuber than a TikToker. You understand? So, a lot of times I have more pressing issues to deal with on YouTube.
And that's true still, because when you're a YouTuber, you make more money. You see me, you're sure of money at YouTube, but you're not sure of money at TikTok unless, you see me, and every time you go live, people are going to send back of money, but YouTuber pay every month.
Other than what I go on over TikTok, over one part, over one place. And if you tell me the truth, me not to listen to Vybz Kartel like that again. From the whole brief thing and wind up thing there. So no, I haven't listened to the album. And I can't review the album. And I don't have no interest in reviewing Vybz Kartel album.
No, J Progress. Well, tell the guys the people them already, you know. Only not see nothing yet. You understand? And I them see one of go carry down them artists, brand man. Remember me tell you that. That's why I does. You know I'm glad people. I'm glad the Vybz Kartel they are road. I'm glad. Come on and see people see the true reality. You understand? And day by day, the truth is revealing. You understand? So I'm glad same day I road. You see it? Because it was just about attacking when him in a prison. And so now him forward out now. Everything I show. You see me? But there's more to come. We're not going to see something on the media and yo, we're not going to see what going on, man.
To tell you the truth. Make who review it already, review it. You get to me I say? Or when me reach back in the TikTok space and ready to start burn some fire, then some song or some album may get review. But right now, I don't have no interest in listening to Vybz Kartel album. I haven't listened to it. And me think me hear one of the song them, the same God and Time song. And I think me hear one little piece of the song where Imam Mavado do. And that's it, guys. Other than that, I don't know what a clock a strike on Vybz Kartel album. I don't know Vybz Kartel album song them different from a tin of paint. So, I cannot, unfortunately, I cannot review an album unless I listen all of the song them. Because when me do review, it have to be an honest, straightforward review. And me have to be straight. If I should go and review Vybz Kartel album right now without listening to it, that would be an unfair review. So guys, no, me not listen to the album, so we can't review.
You know what? J Progress does know say yo. You know, it's like it maybe just lose interest because I Cartel I'm artist, but him see the energy, bro, is like him see say yo, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, everything about Vybz Kartel is just hype and this and that. Him not to see the quality. You understand? Him hear a lot of songs and thing, but you see me? But it's gonna be more than one people I go just I just eat this. But that's how it go. Them I go realize. You see me? Cause more while when you say something about Cartel and thing, you see me? That's why I don't even back and forth because I know say him are the puppet for the industry. So it's like they might say you're bad mind and everything. It's like a first artist in a dance and so when you say something, everything you say a bad mind. I say brother, who know I say bad mind? But you don't realize say who no bad mind because when people talk certain things, just see him do something and say, yeah man, him not do nothing wrong, but go on. You see me, just go on with it. You see me? I guess down the line when you realize the reality check.
Me don't know what them start Masicka still about. Big one thing, you know. You know, say Alkaline drop him album already, Cartel drop him album already, Masicka go drop him album. But me hear 2 songs off him album and me tell the people, remember me can file tell you, mark on the calendar the date. 438 album, a bad album. The 438 album. But the album I Masicka drop, me hear 2 songs off it and me tell you, it's better than the whole of 438 album already.
Yo, you know when it comes to Masicka thing, brother. You know, every time something go on, wanna try if you interject Masicka, bro. Like, I saw Masicka name desperate for being at the conversation. Brother, 438 album 5 years ago, my G. You understand? Yeah, Masicka people them go buy it if you go up there with Cartel for try compete. Them a run down controversy, bro. Them a run down talk. You understand? Because at the end of it, it's so surprising. Cartel album go up there, and then when you look, remember in a Masicka album never go up there a few months ago, you know. You understand? So that's why I try to show you say, yo, I just be a running down clout and conversation, my G. You understand? Masicka not drop him album yet. I don't know Masicka album I got set already, brother. You see me? It a go collaboration, a bag of thing, and I hype it up and say, yo, everything a hit song. And then down the line, him not even perform the song them out of the album them. When I talk about 438 and the man have GOK, it's sure when I say the man album them not really have that impact, bro. You understand? When it does, to me, the name them more when I talk about. I just name them. You understand? If you ask someone know about the song them when I album, you can't tell. You see me? You can't tell me G. You just say a classic, but you can't tell why it's a classic. Him drop an album, it run with the trend, then years after, oh, Masicka did drop a what's so classic about the album? If you have an album, see, and you can't even have 5 songs out of it, or you say, oh, you can rare perform or at least 2. To tell you. You understand? Every time Masicka drop a new song, that at the hit, you have to find, try, hurry, and rush to find the next one. And then none of them now connect. You see me? But it look like Nico Fire promote it hard, although you not drop it. But let's see.
I mean, guess you understand the 438 album even re-enter back the iTunes chart. But the album there's nothing compared to the album I dropped. Remember me to tell you, and for the year so far, for 2026, we have 6 months gone already out of 2026. And the artists for the year for me so far are Masicka and Valiant. Popcorn I go and go to, because the only dancehall artists will enter Billboard at 100, singles, where feature many upon Drake, I think he go about 76 the last time they check. But the only dancehall artists enter Billboard top 100 singles chart.
You mean nothing without Drake? That you mean? Well, big up the artist still, but I just one of them things there, you see me? Yeah, everybody they expect that still to go 100, my G. You see me, I Drake that. You see me, I Drake, one of the biggest rapper right now, Save Popcorn go on it. Come on. You see me? That's something I expected. You see me? But big up the artist here, I want to answer.
Big chart. But Masicka album I go drop, I should have said it, because I hear preview to I sang them, it go shake up dancer. And Valiant and Masicka the artists for the year so far already. Yeah man, them 2 artists there. Them are the artists for the year for me already. 6 months gone. Trust and believe, me say. Remember me not tell dancer lie. Facts alone.
Well, I your opinion that in a Nico Fire. You understand? Masicka and Valiant. I hear something that my G. You see me? Your opinion that so. We can't be there for your opinion dog, but one thing you can't lie about, reality. You see me? Because the man around the place supposed to have the most bookings. The song we are globe and mash up the place. We're supposed to hear that. And we're not talking about Jamaica alone. We're talking about worldwide. You understand? Yeah. That me I try to say. Alkaline have girl good right now. and mash up the globe. You see me? We don't see the song them we are going in the world like that. You see it? We see the bookings them for Alkaline. Alkaline are the biggest headliner right now. You understand? Man had headline Afrofest. You see it? And I think a Caribbean something in a Greece. So we don't want to look a world, but I saw it go still. I guess we soon realize everything will make sense soon. But I brother forward out people. You see me? Boy, John, I must say a bag of thing. But you know what? I guys are people, them artists, so remember, say Cartel forward out and say, yo, people are sheep, so him say anything him do, them just run with it. So that's why Diva can't even beat them, because them not really rate Cartel because of music. You understand? Else them would not support him more, and the reason why they must support him more in that album is because through Alkaline release an album. You understand? Cartel released about 2 albums last year. We never see the energy. We never see nothing. But as Alkaline now, and him don't even want to drop it. Them wait till after Alkaline album, them drop album. You understand? But make them drop an album without Alkaline dropping an album and you see what happens.
Yeah. Come on, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? You're better than this, bro. I'm so disappointed, bro. Like, you're better than this, bro. I know you're better than this, Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, you're better than this, bro. Bro, you keep on drop the ball. If you come out of prison, you keep on dropping the ball, bro. Like, come on, man. Bro, you're better than this, bro. Your album is trash, bro.
Jano, people, may I tell you, Jano. You know what the worst thing, people? You see, because I'm glad say, that's my way to say, I'm glad say Vybz Kartel for the road. You know why? There's a lot more competition within the space right now. What them I use with Vybz Kartel is hype and controversy. Like the videos where him do, on him IG page, them just post it up. That's all. It not have nothing to do with music. That's what them I use with Cartel to try to compete against the other artists. Them just video. Like when them buy him car, buy him house, them. These are the things them use. You understand? Them not use the music because them know so the music now up to par. Now in a dancehall you have more competition, like more artists in the space. The cake sheer up now. Back in the days, seeing when him there road, you never have much artists like how you have much artists now. You see me? Have enough young artists there in our business right now. You see me? So it go more up, like people are gonna say, oh, if this is a song here. People are listening to different artists right now. You see me? So when him dropping music them, it's like kinda like back then when people usually force DJ usually get, you know, for play songs and him control the whole of the producer them everything. Now him not the JA. A bag of producer and the artist and them own producer. Everything, the trend in the hat, him not really have that energy there again. You see me? So it's like when you actually see the reality now, you say, yo, what is this and that? But him did that flip up some of the time, you know, it's just that back then the thing did more control. You see, but this is what I say.
I think you need to pull the album there off of all platform, bro. You need to pull that album off of all platform, bro. That album is trash, bro. You need to relax. I think you're living your best life now. So when you did in that prison, you did more relax. And you did better music when you're in a prison, bro. Welcome to the Vybz Kartel, we sing. I'll get you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight pon the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Every treasure, money. Bro, welcome to the cartel. Where you at, bro? Where you at?
Brother, you have to understand, say, yo. But I always tell people, say, money not change nobody. Seeing? The money can't change you. Seeing? It only more bring out like your personality. So it's like when Vybz Kartel in a prison, him did more hungry, more feed him youths on my road, play liar, every little thing. Yes, what I try to say, so look here now. So what him do now is like in a prison more focus, him more want to make sure quality music go out for, you know, if he go hit and all of them things, they might put in the work for feed him family. You understand? Him want to stay in the algorithm and a bag of thing. You see it? Yeah man, not the algorithm. So I just one of them little thing the people. You see it? Now him there road, you know, him starts with some bag of money. More 10 times more money than when him did there road. You see me? Cause remember before him go prison, him a charge a mill. Jamaican. You see me for shows. Him even say it, you see me? And now him a charge mill pint add in a US. So him a get more money right now. So it's like him just a drink, him brain, him have a lot of things, him a enjoy life everything. So the brain not really dead for cycle for really put out the music. You understand? It's more like him active more in the media, like social media, Instagram, than more active in a studio. We are mates. You understand? Yeah, so that's why you know to see the quality and all of them things. They like back then when in a prison camp, they more hungry, more focused, in more under the mattress, or them record and all of them little thing there, you see me? More because him have to get the food to feed him youth, them a road and buy house and a bag of thing. You see me? But now, him they are road free, him mind not steady for the music like that. It's like, through him realize say, yo, them people are just work with everything what him do, him just mad up some trap, just put out some mad bag of madness and then him know say people, them sheep, them a go run with it and bag of thing, you see it? Yeah.
Bro, you're better than this, bro. Like, I'm so disappointed. The only reason I even listen to the album in its entirety is because I don't want to miss nothing. I want to make sure say when I come on the platform, come talk, me hear everything. First of all, the name of the album does not match the songs, bro. Too much set you on your back, cock in your mouth and fuck. Bro, what if you name an album God on Time, bro? And the content, the songs don't match.
And that are the thing. People not, yo, Vice Cartel is not a person who know how to put, he's not an album person like an artist will put projects together. You understand? Him not know, like if you check the album them over the years, he's like 1 and 2, yeah, alright, but he's not good at that. The man, somebody link him, if he say, yo, go put in a Ray for the Grammy. The man say in a 2 hours, him just chat up some songs and Ray and give it, man. Be a madness at a heart and soul. You understand? The man don't know for put an album, him don't know for put a story together. The album name God and Time, right people? Seeing God and Time. You listening the music in that, brother. It not no God and Time. I be a madness in the album. It not represent the name. You see me? I just that. It not represent the name. So it should say, yo, bro, nothing not dead. It not ready. You see it? It have some good song where you can listen to upon it. You see me? The only song where me see match the album are the same song when name God and Time, dog. May I tell you?
Name of the album, bro. That don't make no sense, bro. Who's your advisor, bro? Who's guiding you, bro? I think you have too much money now and you live your best life and you're not focused. You need to take your little time and sit down and plan out a good album, get a good name for the album. I think you need to go back to the drawing board with that one, bro. You shouldn't even release. So the people in the road and never tell you, say, yo, this a trash. They really make you release that, bro? That shit's crazy, fam.
You have to just understand, saying, bro, a BAS man they run cartel and the man them usually they run cartel before him go up prison, you know. And the same man them they run him. Scatter, Nuffy, you understand the rest of the man them they are just man where when him in a prison and all of the people them who step away from him and sell him out and all them thing there. But you see the one them who stood with him, communicated with him when him there prison, and them man them have run him and majority of them man they are just money them a pre brother. You see me, them don't really care, they just there for the money. And they will defend it. They will defend him whatever way him do because of the money. You understand? So them not gonna tell him the truth.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. Yo, that's crazy, bro. I'm not gonna put me out and I'm gonna tell me to go suck my mama. I'm not gonna this, I'm not gonna that. Someone not gonna treat me and bad me up. Someone not gonna treat me to kill me if man when I don't know. That's proof on the love, man. When I bad. You get me, I say? I'm disappointed, bro, honestly. I'm disappointed, yo, fuck. You know what bun me to? The time I'm wasting and listening to the album, I can't get back at the time there. You know what
John, no, brother, so it going a dog. You see me, you can't say that, brother, yeah, man kind of feel away. I don't know if Cartel I'm artist or what, but I tell you, bro, I saw it go. You see me? I saw it go. As I say, Cartel there road, a lot of things are distract him. I'm not well focused, so now if just go and dwell upon them song, you see me? Yeah, man. But people not tell him the truth. The man them they run him, yes, man. The man them just there for money, bro. Man them not care about the structure, brother. When Cartel read them soon, maybe I'll cut and gone. You understand?
listen to something with the expectation. I say, yo, Cartel, listen up. The album, I got shot, you know. Me even start to tell people before me listen to the album, say, yo, Cartel, like, I'm going to win Grammy this year, you know. But, bro, the album is trash, bro. Trash.
Imagine Grammy go review all this album and see album name God and Time. And when them start listening to song, bro, the production not good for the song, them, brother. Them are going to say, what is? You understand? Quality not really dead upon it, bro. It lack of quality. So, Grammy not going to really meds that, my G. You see me? And first of all, Cartel have a team for promote it for rep Grammy. You see me?
Half all platforms, bro. And go back to the joint. Just give me a second. Don't be ashamed. Don't be afraid. I'll be ashamed. Constructive criticism. Because even the engineer when mix the song, can't tell us a different engineer mix the song. And the songs are not well balanced, bro. Like every song's supposed to be on the same level, bro. Like of volume and clarity. The vocals in the mix good. So somebody harmonizing well. You hear you try. Artificial. Bro, you could have done way better than that. You could have get backup singers. You could have done so much things. You have so much money, bro. You could have done so much things. You could have invested in one great album, bro. But you choose to release trash and think you're going to Grammy off of that over Shaggy and Buju. Bro, disappointed now, fam.
Well, I can't tell that, brother. Someone just realize who Cartel is, my G. You understand? The man that really, bro, the man over the years, him not really do that quality album, dog. You understand? Him get a few features and everything, and you see, nothing really did it.
Like, literally, seriously disappointed, bro. Like, I can't believe. So you really something like that, bro. You're better than this, Cartel. What's wrong with you, bro? Why you even name the album than name the bro? All I hear is fuck, set you up on your back. Suck my cock. This, bro, you're better than this, bro. Come on, man.
Well, for that a God and time, I tell you, the album, yeah, it no God. You understand? And it just a run out of time, dog. You see me? It no God in it. You see it. You have a few songs where, but I don't know, brother. Sometimes when you talk the people, you have to understand, say, brother, some of the Gaza people, them not with Cartel because of music. You understand? Them used to the half-key Vice Cartel, the raunchy music, the chaka music, the Ray, the this music. That's how them not really used to quality music, bro. You understand? So that's why when them do these things like this, them are gonna say, yo, Ray. And them are gonna say, yo, bad mind and everything. You see me, call look ya. When Cartel usually Ray back then, me never hear so much people talk about bad mind. And since Cartel forward out there now and have a little money, they must say every time somebody talk something and give a point, them say bad mind, dream have money 10 times now. You understand? So I just them, brother. You see me? At the end of the day, I film fans them listen what them want to listen to G. You see me? It's just that the outside world we just pick and choose. You see me? But a lot of people have high expectation. But bro, I see him Cartel my G. You understand? I see him thing. You see me? Yeah, him usually put out some music when him there at prison. Yes, because him hungry them time there. You see me? More hunger, more quality. You understand? You gotta do stuff where seem like if somebody employ you, you gotta do it your best because you need the money. And when him there prison, him did need the money. Now him found out him not the money. Him not care about free quality music and them thing, brother. That's what him a do. And him not get the hit song them like on music because him man rich and now and have money and this and bag of girl and baby. The music is not the attention. Him put more attention right now on him Instagram page than the quality for music.
Insult, so no, SYM. No, can't see me, bar road, and do so. So my name only face me. I'm already prepared for it, I know now come. But I don't care. I don't just love man, I don't love man with the moon. Someone ready to come analyze me. The man don't know, but people don't know, say, me still like this, bro. You know what I say? Me still like this.
Well, brother, and this is why a lot of people see what I go on and afraid to say something. Because them afraid what would have happened to them. Something that might not happen to them, But in their mind, they must say, them not want to fire you. You see me? So I just one of them thing them dog. You see, so some of them just work with whatever the situation is. But people, big up on yourself, I just the Gaza people them that, brother. As Carter said, them are sheep, so no matter what them do, you understand? Them might just run with it. I just them that. You see me? No matter what, there's nothing wrong or what, you see me? Yeah. But people, big up on yourself and don't know me the facts already. You see, that is it.